Welcome to solverfy.
So here for part A, when we want to find the frequency is simply going to be 1 over 2 pi times the square root of g divided by L. And so the frequency is going to be 1 over 2 pi times the square root of 9.8 divided by 0.63 meters. And we find that the frequency is equaling 0.628 hertz. Now, this would be your answer for part A. Part B now wants us to find the maximum velocity. So for part B, we can say that the energy at the top would be equal to the energy at the bottom. So we can say that mg L minus L cosine of theta, this would essentially be the gravitational potential energy. This will all be converted into kinetic energy, so mv max squared. So essentially at this point, we can say that V is going to be equal to 2 times G times L, 1 minus cosine of theta, and this will be to the 1/2 power. Now we can say that V is going to be equal to 2 times 9.8 times 0.63 meters times 1 minus cosine of 15 degrees, all to the 1/2 power. And we find that the velocity is going to be equal to 0.649 meters per second. Again, this is a V at the bottom. And lastly, we have to find the total amount of energy. The total amount of energy can simply be equal to 1/2 mv max squared. And so this is simply going to be equal to 1/2 times the mass of 0.295 kilograms. And then this will be multiplied by 0.649 squared. And we find that the total amount of energy associated with the system is going to be equal to 0.0621 joules. So this would be our final answer for part C. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.